Space, the final frontier, holds a myriad of mysteries that continue to baffle even the brightest minds. An infinite expanse of darkness speckled with twinkling stars, galaxies, and celestial bodies, space has always been a source of intrigue and wonder. Astronauts, those brave explorers of the unknown, have often reported strange phenomena during their missions, experiences that remain unexplained to this day. From eerie space sounds that echo in the void, to unidentifiable objects that defy our understanding of physics, these mysteries only deepen our fascination. Some of these phenomena are so outlandish, they sound like they've been plucked straight from a science fiction novel. But remember, these are real experiences, reported by astronauts who ventured into the great unknown. As we embark on this cosmic journey, we'll delve into the enigma of space and explore the top 5 unexplained phenomena reported by astronauts. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey like no other. Join us as we delve into the top 5 unexplained phenomena reported by astronauts. At number 5, we have the eerie phenomenon of the phantom cosmonaut voices, an enigma that dates back to the height of the space race in 1961. 2 Italian brothers, amateur radio operators, claimed to have intercepted something truly unsettling. They reported hearing the desperate cries of what sounded like a cosmonaut lost in the cold void of space. The brothers' claims sparked a firestorm of controversy and intrigue as the world grappled with the chilling possibility of doomed voyagers adrift in the cosmos. Skeptics argued that the brothers may have misinterpreted natural radio phenomena or even fallen prey to a hoax. But the brothers stood by their story, insisting that they had heard the agonizing voice of a lost cosmonaut. Could these really be the desperate pleas of lost cosmonauts, or just a trick of the radio waves? We may never know. Coming in at number 4 is the strange and unexplained music heard by Apollo astronauts. Now imagine you're an astronaut, 250,000 miles from home, on the far side of the moon, out of radio contact with Earth. Suddenly, you hear a mysterious, music-like sound in your headset. This isn't science fiction. This actually happened during the Apollo 10 mission in May of 1969. Astronauts Eugene Cernan, John Young, and Thomas Stafford reported hearing these strange sounds for about an hour while they were out of contact with Earth. The sounds were described as a kind of outer space-type music, a whistling tune that was both eerie and strangely captivating. A multitude of theories have been proposed to explain this phenomenon, from interference between radio signals to alien transmissions. Despite extensive research and analysis, no definitive explanation has ever been found. The source of this eerie lunar symphony remains a mystery to this day. At number 3, we delve into the perplexing phenomenon known as the space roar. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where silence is supposed to reign supreme, there's a peculiar sound that has left scientists scratching their heads. This enigmatic noise, aptly termed the space roar, was first detected by NASA's SWIFT satellite in 2006. It's not your typical space noise, oh no. This roar is 6 times louder than anything we'd expect to hear in space, and it's not associated with any known celestial events or bodies. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, overlooking an ocean, and you hear a roar, but there's no visible cause, no crashing waves, no thunderstorm, just an inexplicable, overwhelming sound. That's the space roar for you. Various theories have been proposed, from primordial stars to dark matter, yet none have been proven. Despite numerous hypotheses, the origin of the space roar continues to baffle scientists. Our number 2 spot is reserved for the sightings of unidentified flying objects by astronauts. Over the years, astronauts have reported seeing objects in space that defy explanation. These sightings have sparked a debate that has intrigued both scientists and space enthusiasts alike. One classic example is the Gemini 4 mission in 1965. Astronaut James McDivitt spotted a cylindrical object with an arm sticking out. He couldn't identify it, and neither could mission control. Then there's the case of the Apollo 11 mission. Yes, the one that first put man on the moon. Astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong reported seeing a strange light moving with them. Was it part of their own spacecraft or something entirely different? These are just a few instances where the unknown has been glimpsed in the black vastness of space. Are these sightings just space debris, optical illusions, or something more? The debate continues. And finally, at number 1, we have the biggest mystery of them all, the dark matter enigma. Imagine a cosmic puzzle, a conundrum so profound and elusive that it has boggled the minds of scientists and astronauts alike for decades. This, my friends, is the enigma of dark matter. Dark matter, the unseen, the intangible, makes up a whopping 85% of the universe's matter. Yet it refuses to interact with light or any form of electromagnetic radiation. This means we can't see it, touch it, or capture it in any photograph. Its existence is purely theoretical, inferred from the gravitational effects it has on visible matter, radiation, and the structure of the universe. But why would astronauts care about something they can't see or touch? Well, dark matter is the glue that holds galaxies together. Without it, galaxies would fly apart, and the universe as we know it would cease to exist. Various observations from astronauts have hinted at the existence of this elusive matter. From the way galaxies rotate, to the bending of light around massive objects, to the distribution of galaxies throughout the universe, all these phenomena suggest that there is more matter than we can see. But here's the catch. The true nature of dark matter remains a mystery. Is it made up of yet undiscovered subatomic particles? Or is it something entirely different? Something our current understanding of physics can't explain. The greatest minds have proposed theories, built complex models, launched missions, and yet, dark matter remains shrouded in mystery. It's like a cosmic ghost, present yet unseen, influencing the universe in ways we are yet to fully comprehend. As we drift through the cosmos, the enigma of dark matter hangs over our heads, a tantalizing mystery that begs to be solved. It's a testament to the vast unknown that lies beyond our reach, a reminder of how much there is still left to discover. The enigma of dark matter stands as the most tantalizing mystery of space exploration. Will we ever uncover its secrets? Only time will tell.